What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. This time I'm doing a on-camera upgrade of Dark the Moon Whirl and Dark the Moon Vortex into maybe Dark the Moon Whirl or just a Generations Whirl. I got this Headrobots upgrade kit, and I've been dying to getting ready to get in here and upgrade this Vortex Dark the Moon movie figure, which I hate, into something I can cherish and give some love to. So this is the kit. It comes with a bunch of some parts and everything, a couple of guns, new feet, some new accessory thing, a new head, and some like skis things for the figure, for the robot. So, alright, let's get into it. Prep the patient for surgery. Let's take off this. And what the instructions say first to do is to remove this ball jointed head. Pop it off. I don't think it can pop it off. So I'm just going to get my screwdriver and just take it apart. Because I don't want to break the ball joint. Screw out. So you're going to separate. It probably is not. And then we probably gotta pop the head off, man. Alright, this is going to be scary at the same time. Exciting. There we go. Popped it off. And it's still intact. And no stress marks on that ball joint. Great. Alright. That's that. Put the screw back in the head for later on. Maybe I might want to put the head back on. Maybe I can put the head on someone else. You never know. I keep my heads still off to the side. Like that. Alright, now he's headless. I'm going to take this kit, I'm going to open it up. It's like a nice little clamshell. Not hard to open. No scissors required. Pop all the parts out. Well, most of them. And we got the new head. Here's the new head. Can you see that? Maybe not. Maybe you can. Hold on. Because it's focusing on Whirl in the background. There you go. You can see that. So yeah, his head is black. The red eye. Silver with gray parts on the side of his head. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it on because there's no screw in the back of it. So I guess it just pops on. And the instructions do say it might be a little bit loose, so I might have to add some super glue or nail polish later on, or something like that. So it might be loose. So there's the head. Focus back. Got the head. Looking better already. Alright. Next, the instructions tell us to take apart the feet. Roger that. Challenge accepted, Mr. Mosby. Alright. Unscrew and remove feet halves and landing gear piece. So yeah. Okay. Oh, pegs all the way through. There we go. There we go. We got it. Got that off. Most of the side. We take our feet heads, get out the clamshell. Alright. I'll read your tech data, kids. Instructions are here to help you. Alright, so these are two the same side. Get these out. Doesn't matter which side they go on. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get this on camera. Alright, take one side and push it through. It's a little tight. We have to wiggle it and get it all the way through. Alright, cool. Making sure I'm doing everything right. Put this part in through the other side. Make sure. Yeah, that's right. That's right. All right. Bugging. All right. All right. It's getting there. It takes a while to get through. It's real tight, so you gotta work it a little bit. Alright, got it. 1 foot done. Took a while. Alright, this one shouldn't take that long. Now I know what I'm doing. So here we go. Just unscrew it. Alright. Pull the feet apart. Working out the socket. Alright. New foot. The thing is, you don't lose any articulation with this either. So. The feet didn't have no articulation to begin with, so you're not gaining anything or losing anything as far as articulation of the feet. This one seems to be going on a little bit more easier. go. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. There. Got feet together. Next we're gonna do the skis. The skis. Those out. Alright, at 10 minutes. Jeez. And there's like 2 pegs at the bottom, which you have two holes in the bottom. Take 2 pegs in the bottom on top of the skis. So you just plug his feet into those holes. And it seems like, there you go, snap right on in. It should give him some more stability when he's standing. He pretty much, when you took out his other foot, you took away the heel also, his heel. So this should give him some more stability in his stance. I'm sorry, hold on the camera. There you go. Almost there. Now it says 2 places you can put the no box, low or right. And I get these are no boxes. I don't know what's a no box. No box. I guess these go right here. I'm sorry. Right here you got like a slot in the back of his leg. Plugs in the back. It said low or high. I saw that one. I guess there's another place you can plug them into. It's lower than this. I guess this is the high point. I really don't see a. I don't know. I don't see nothing. So they're plugging in low or high. I don't see where they're pointing at for low. So plug them in right there. Bam, bam. And last we got his 2 guns. These are not die cast, but these are like a shiny paint, I'm guessing, which may end up flaking off later on. I'm hoping they don't. But like they said, they're nice and shiny. Metallic paint, those guns. So you just plug them on in, wherever. They don't really say where to plug them into. It just says you plug them in. Oh, here we go. See it right here. Alright, there's a hole right there, That's where we plug his weapons into. Underside. Right there. And there's one. I guess that one don't plug it underneath there. I guess you can plug this one to his hand. Oh yeah, and there he is. This is refurbished into Whirl. Something seems a little bit off. I got one leg up straight and more straight than the other one. It seems a little bit lopsided. Oh, there he goes. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, I like how they got the upgrade. Well, it looks good. I mean, it's not a real big noticeable no difference, noticeable difference. Doesn't really change its articulation any. I wish they could have done something about the hands, but I guess there's nothing you can really do about the hands because it's all worked into the mechanics of the transformation. But yeah. He's still about the same height. Well, he's a little bit, probably a little bit more taller. I don't know. Maybe. Probably a little bit taller because they had the skis to his feet and everything. So, look a little bit more taller than Ratchet. And there's gonna be some parts forming for this according to the instructions that you gotta, when you transform, you gotta take the skis off and the node boxes on the side, take them off, and you gotta plug them into his back. So let me do that real quick. So unplug these, everything. Probably got to take these off. And also these skis can store on his wings if you want to store them right there. If you don't want them wearing the skis in robot mode, they hang off his wings like that. So yeah, transformation pretty much the same. Head pop up the ball joint. So yeah, like they said in the instructions, you gotta tighten this up with some super glue. So they already acknowledged that in the instructions, so they already knew that would be a problem. So which they could have said. Trying to rotate the head like I did. We'll find out. You should rotate the head. And the head just came off. Well, you can't keep the head on. Transformation, huh? It's kind of weird. Let's see. Am I doing something wrong, maybe? I don't know. I mean, I can keep it on. There it goes. That thing. A little further down. Yeah, everything seems to be like parts forming. You gotta take everything pretty much all except for the feet, which sucks. And you gotta tab these back in. Bam. Shit. There you go. Bam, bam. Yeah, these skis they tab into right there. Bottom. They only tab at one point, which kind of makes them kind of wobbly. Doesn't stabilize them in the mode. And it says that this box, I did not see it. I did not see where. It says that it's supposed to go in right here. I guess right there. No boxes plug in right here by friction where the exhaust ports are at. Goes right there. The guns plug into the holes in the wings, so it gives them some extra gunnage. That's kind of tight right there. It's tight fitting. This one's tight fitting too, so be careful of that. It might give you stress marks. And then look at, yeah, it's stressed out my joint right there. You don't push it in no further than that. And there. Okay, you got storage for all. Get everything stored onto the bot, even though you got to do a parts forming, transformation and stuff. But I mean, it looks okay. I mean, we don't have a Whirl really in generations, so I guess this would do for now until we actually get an official one. Do I recommend getting this? If you're not a big fan of Whirl, then no. If you feel like you must have a Whirl in your collection, no. Do I feel like it's worth getting for the price? Nah. If you die hard, you must have it, and go ahead and get it. But if you can live without and wait till the something more official come out, then just go ahead and wait for that. No, it's not worth it. It's cool and everything. You can change something from a Dark of the Moon figure and give it to a whole new life and make it something you actually like. That's cool and everything, but yeah. I'll probably keep it in robot mode. That's what we'll do. Alright, thank y'all for watching. We do this whole transformation of the Headrobots Drone kit. And I paid like $30, I believe. Big Bad Toys, so where I got it from. If you want to get it, go ahead and pick it up. Hope this review helped you make a decision on how to do it and what to look for, and we get off that fence. Alright, I'll check y'all later. Peace.